Hello everyone, welcome to MediSnaps, and today is a special episode where we will be unboxing anything. But what will be unboxing? Oh, what are we having right now? Well, you guessed it right. These are eGurukul 2.0 notes from DVMCI, and we will be unboxing this, and I'll be telling you the specific feature what we have in this. Well, how to unbox it? Let me have one thing. Well, it's here right now. So, let's unbox these notes. And my wait is finally over. I ordered it during this lockdown only. So, there's no issue. We have pharmacology. We have pediatrics. We are having forensic medicine. Forensic medicine part 2. Oh, we have this in 2 parts. Then orthopedics by Dr. Sushil Vijay sir. Radiology by Dr. Rajat Jain sir, our guru. Psychiatry by Dr. Ankur Jain sir. Anesthesia right here. PSM, as we know, by Dr. Ashwini Ranjan sir. And ENT by Dr. Sanjay Agarwal sir. Dermatology by Dr. Khushbu Mahajan ma'am. And last but not the least, microbiology. Well, so let's see what goodies we have in this. And we have these 2 markers from Faber-Castell. Actually, these are really good. And these sticky notes, as a medical student, we know how important it is to have these sticky notes, as we can put some extra points what we want to in these. And honestly, I like these are really of good quality.
So we have unboxed the notes. Let's see what's inside these notes and what actually they have done. In the starting of every note, we have the photo of the gurus and their about them, and then we have the index. And apart from this, the quality of these notes, I must tell you, are so good that one can actually feel this. It includes previous year recall questions, and the most interesting part is that one can easily and swiftly browse at a faster speed with the available timestamps. With these notes, you can learn effortlessly for exams because there are hand-drawn diagrams, and we all know how convenient it is to study with them. Now, another thing I am delighted about is the digital handwritten fonts and the unique exam tags. When you start to revise, one major thing everyone craves is finding the important points. And with these notes, you can revise thoroughly because all the important points have been highlighted with different colors. You also have active spaces here for writing the extra points, and the images are available in 2 times full HD resolution. Isn't it great? You get smart color codes that help in organizing and rapid reviewing of important information. According to me, these notes are one smart way of covering your syllabus. They are also giving dual faculty notes of medicine and chapter-wise MCQs for speedy revisions. And seriously, I must tell you one thing, that whosoever has done work on this has paid utmost attention to each and every detail. I mean, you can actually feel the quality and the content which you will see. I mean, tremendous. Once you will buy it, definitely you are going to feel what these notes are capable of. And kudos to Team DBMCI. So I've been following DBMCI's video lecture from past some time, and let me tell you, these notes under my palm cover almost 95% of their video lecture, which I mean, for a student like me, spending so much money on these notes are actually worth it. Now I can say that I've spent my money on the right thing and on the right content.
I am going to take full advantage of these notes. Make sure you do the same. Check out the link in the description box.